The new STEAM focus starting here at Liberty Memorial next year involves a heavy emphasis on hands-on, project-based learning, just like the stuff you've done in this class. So how would you describe your experience with this kind of project-based learning?
I thought it was really fun and more engaging than all my other classes. It was just more hands-on. I like doing stuff, not just like listening.
I am a hands-on learner, so I think that it's really beneficial for people who like doing things physically with your hands. I think that it can really improve people's capability to truly and fully understand whatever they're learning about. And I think it gives you more real-life experiences.
I really enjoyed this kind of long-term project, and I think it helped a lot for our team in general, in teamwork and time management and communication especially. I enjoy a lot more of the self-regulation. We put a lot more personality or effort into it because it's a passion project at that point. And that's something I really enjoy about these. You can take your time on them and really put all the effort you can into them.
I'm always a fan of hands-on projects. If more classes have larger projects that are physical and not on a sheet of paper, I think that it'll be a lot more fun.